Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to unbox this package. This is the Lasfit Air CR1 portable compressor. Come on, let's check it out. All right, so let's open this one up. Ooh, it's heavy. It's a heavy boy. So there's the box. So first it says Lasfit Air, and next it says here the air inflator. It has an LED digital display. It has an auto shut off function. It has some preset pressure. It says here that's very compact and portable, which I think it is. It also powers through 12 volts. Let's check the other side here. So it says here the model LAP CR1, battery capacity, because this can be wireless also. So that's a good thing about it. So it has a 28.8 watt hour or 11.1 volts. So it uses USB type C for charging. So maximum or output pressure is 150 psi, and it weighs 650 grams. Also we have here same thing, so you can use it on cars, motorcycle, e-bike, bicycle, and some balls. All right, so let's open this up. Nice. Wow, nice packaging. I like that it comes in on a bag. So this is the bag, so that's empty. So this is the bag that it came with. Nice, has this bag. Like it, because sometimes some other products, they only come with a pouch, an actual cloth pouch. So let's see. So we have some accessories in here. So we have the USB type C with the USB A. So we have the auxiliary power cord. So if you're out of battery, then you can connect it to your car directly using this wire. So it got some needle and some adapter in here, which you can use on multiple use. It has a thank you card in here, 24 months warranty. It says here that, yeah, for Amazon orders, you can do that. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase it. It's available on their website at lasfit.com. So it has a user manual in here also on how to use it. So it talks about the specs and or the features on it, on what buttons do. So it should be straightforward. So it has a warning in here for high temperature, safety precaution. So when unscrewing the air hose and the air pipe, yeah, will generate high temperature due to long working time. So do not touch the. So yeah, just a warning that may be hot. So for bicycle, it has this pressure range, PSI range on it. So yeah, so basically it's a pretty straightforward how to use it. But let's, oh, we forgot this, the hose. So it comes with two air hose in here. So one is a spare, yeah, so that you have a spare. So let's pull this boy out. Oh, yeah, it's heavy, which is good. For me, heavy means quality. Yeah, so it has an LED light in here also. We'll check on that. So there's a USB A, USB Type C, and this is for the air hose. So let's remove that. It's nice, I like it. So specs is also printed in here in the back, like that. So it has some vents in here, and a small vent in there and some more vents all around. So that's nice. I like it. It has some rubber feet on it. Yep, all four corners. So let's turn this on after I remove this plastic. All right. So let's power this one on. I need to hold it. Yeah, I need to hold it. So 3 seconds. So it has some battery. So it's nice. I like it. So it has, yeah, 35 psi. You can change that and it will stop to whatever psi you set it. So, and it has this mode on it. Basically, these are the preset for the cars. So now it's on a motorbike. Now it's on a bicycle. If you're uh, if you want to inflate a basketball, so or nothing. So this is like free for you to select whatever psi you want. But again, with that, you can change. There's that light in there, so bright. So so you can do flashing. Has that strobe function in there. Now I want to know how to change the PSI. There you go, change to bar. So all you have to do is press the letter M or mode. So press and hold, it will change to bar. Tap and hold again or press and hold again, it will change to kPa. So that's how you change it. Has kilogram per centimeter. Nice. So it has four pressure measurement. So that's good. I like it. So with me, when I came back here in the US after a long trip overseas in the Philippines, I came back here in the Washington State. It's very cold. So my cars, basically like the RAV4, all of my tires are underinflated already. So yeah, so with this one, having this handy, it will help. I'll show you with my Forerunner. I haven't inflated the tires yet on that vehicle, but I know I'm running low tire pressure than the spec, whatever says in the sticker by the door jam. But yeah, so it's supposed to have 33 psi on that one, but right now I think it is down to 30 or 29. Uh, but my TPMS sensor is not lit up yet, but I want to inflate those properly back to 33. So right now I will charge this one because I want to use this basically wireless. So I'll be right back and see you in a moment. All right, so while we're waiting for this to charge, I just want to talk about some features of this particular compressor. So again, this is a dual power. It connects through your car auxiliary power or the built-in 7800 milliamps of battery. So that's a good one. Yeah, so that's nice. I really like it. While I'm in the Philippines, I actually ordered a portable compressor. It's smaller than this one, so it's less powerful, but it's still impressive with the power that they produce. So, yeah. So, but I left that one out in the Philippines. I did not bring that one out here. So, luckily, we got Lasfit supporting our channel, so they send me this one. Also, again with the units, so it has 4 units. Again, it has a PSI, the KPA, the bar, and the kilogram per centimeter squared. All right. So with automatic or the smart auto stop with the pressure gauge, that's helpful because if you just leave it in there, then set it to the certain psi, for example 35 psi, and then you just run it, and then for some reason some other inflator, they don't have the automatic stop function, so they'll just continue to pump air more than what you set it. So this is nice, so I like that. So with this, it's very portable, very handy. So uh, with me, I am on summer, we do some camping in the woods. So if I need to air down and I need to air up, because I don't have those expensive onboard air compressor system, this will definitely help with the airing up on my tires. So again, I'm not a hardcore off-roader or overlander, so we just do camping like once or twice a year every summer, so this will definitely help. We'll see you in a moment, and we're gonna demo this one out. I'm gonna probably I'll show you what we're gonna do in the next video. All right, see you in a moment. All right, so now we have a full battery, so let's test it. All right, so now we're going to pump one of my tire in here. This is the rear driver side. So first what we need to do is get one of our hose, and we're gonna plug this together. If you see this red hole in here, that's where we're gonna put it. So put it and twist until you hear it. Now we're gonna screw the end of the hose in the valve stem. So we're gonna power this on by holding it. All right, now it's on preset on the car, which we're gonna go on the whatever, no preset basically. All right, and we're gonna set this to 33. All right, so doing that, you only need to put it to 33, so all the way down to 33 psi. So I haven't used the car for the whole day, and yeah, let's see how many psi that I got. So right now we got 29 psi. So from 29 psi to 33, let's start pumping. All right. It's a loud one. Not really loud, but you know what I mean. So 31.5 psi right now. .32 psi. We're almost there. 32.5 psi, and it stops at 33 psi, which is good. All right, so now let's do all of the tires and let's see if we're even gonna lose a battery bar in there. All right, so we're pumping 31.5 psi now on the rear passenger side. Okay, so we're on the front passenger side now. All right, so now we're on it's hooked up on the front driver side, and it's reading as 29.5, and the battery went, basically now it's off. It went back to 4 bars. So now let's start pumping. All right, so it stopped exactly at 33 psi. So as we all know, when you start driving around, the tire pressure basically increases inside your tire. So yeah, so 33 psi is what I use. Even on summer, I use 33 psi. Even on winter, I use 33 psi. So yeah, so that's what we have here. It's a good product to have. So if you're interested in purchasing the Lasfit Air CR1, I'll put the link in the description below. You can also use my discount code if you're gonna go to lasfit.com to purchase it. All right. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.